Hey guys, I'm showing you this Yzoni magnetic light. So this is a portable LED work light with 5 light modes, magnetic base, rechargeable battery, operated COB flashlight, and it's hold to dim floodlight for car repairing, camping or any other purpose. So as you see in the box is the light, stand, charging cable, manual and all those details. So the manual is straightforward. It explains like how this will work and what are those things. And this is the magnetic stand. So this is the light that you will put it in this stand, so that I will show you. This is the charging cable USB-C, so it's pretty handy. So this one, as you see, like the flexible rotation, this is in the back, so you can just put it in the charging. So you can see the lights, like the blue light going on, so this will show like how much is charged. So this is another USB that you can use to charge your mobile or any other device. And the thing you have to keep in mind is like it will not charge while you are charging the light itself. So once you remove the cable, charging cable, and it will start charging. That you can see it here. So this is a power bank as well, and is very handy while you are on camping or any other emergency needs. So the handle is for providing like to hand it over, and the flexible light so that you can move the light where you need it. So this is the button or different modes of the lights. You keep on pressing and then it will dim and then off. So this is a 3000 lumens of the light that you can see with the different modes. And as I mentioned, is a foldable design, so this will cover a lot of areas for the light. So now for the stand, you can just push it inside and this will set up. And this is also a 360-degree rotation or the pressing that you can use. So basically this is a nice light, with the disc lumen, with a power bank, a lot of things that covers with it. And then you can use it the way you want, and as I mentioned, it have the magnetic base, so it can stick to the any metal surface like your car bonnet or anything, and then you can use it the way. So strong magnetic base, screw hole, USB rechargeable, 360-degree rotation, foldable and portable, high brightness. So basically it's a very nice light for you to use, and as this is the magnetic base as I mentioned.